Ayo, welcome people. It's your boy FF 47, you know, aka the friendly neighborhood goat. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to put chat on your Twitch live stream. So with no further ado, let's just go ahead and do it. What you're gonna do first, you're gonna go to your favorite browser, any browser. Is it Microsoft Edge, Brave, or Chrome? Any browser, bro. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna type the following on your search bar. This link right here, I will leave it in the video description below, okay? After that, you're gonna scroll down and go here and write your Twitch name, okay? As you know, mine is FF47. I'm just gonna go ahead and type FF47.
What the hell?
And I'm gonna scroll down and generate. As you can see, this is the link I have to copy to my OBS. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the link and I'm gonna head straight to my OBS. When I get to OBS, I'm gonna click on source and click the plus button. When I get here, I'm gonna go to browser, okay? When I get here, I'm gonna add the new one and okay. It's gonna come here. Then I'm gonna click, I'm gonna highlight everything on the URL and paste the one I've copied from that site, okay? Then I'm gonna scroll down and click OK. As you can see here, this is where everything happens. As you can see with that emoji right there. So the chat is live. So you've done it, man. Congratulations.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?